Hey guys, welcome back. I have been trying to decorate, and the weather has been rainy and just bad here. So I'm finally getting to get out and about in the yard and decorate. The leaves are still everywhere. My husband was going to get them up, but like I said, it's been raining. It's hard to blow the leaves out of the yard when it has been raining because they stick together and they're heavy. So I'm just going to go ahead and decorate and he can blow the leaves later. But I have to get this done. It's December the 3rd. So I'll bring y'all along with me. I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling. Okay, so I need to go in the garage and get the rest of my Christmas stuff. We got all of our decorations and summer, winter, everything is in here. So I gotta get some stuff out. Let's get started. It's looking a lot like Christmas. So I'm about to go outside, you guys, and put my candy canes out. I bought these from the Dollar Tree, and they're going to line my driveway, but I thought that would look pretty plain, and I was wondering what else could I do just to spruce these up. And I saw these over also in Dollar Tree on the wall where all the Christmas decor is, and they were $1 for 2 bowls. I already took one off of them, off of this paper, but there 2 comes in a pack. And I'm going to put these on the candy cane, and they're going to line my driveway and hopefully look like somewhat of a little runway for Santa. So let's see how it comes out. So this is very easy, you guys, to attach. The bow comes with twist ties on it, and I'm just going to tie it tight around the candy cane. I was in such a hurry to put this tree up, I didn't even film me putting the tree up. I was trying to get it up before my husband and son got home. And this is the tree. It's a small tree. And what I did was I just set it on my coffee table, on the sofa table rather. And I put 2 poinsettias right by it, because I don't know if you've been watching for a couple of years. I used to have a huge tree right here. I mean, it was wide, a little bit taller than, I guess, about right up to there at the ceiling. But it was wide, and it went all the way down to the floor. So with this one, and in another video, I'll show you the later, end result. But right here, we still have decorations to put on, because when my daughter comes, the family is going to put on their bulbs. We have ornaments with our names on them in red and gold. So we're going to fill this in right here and put some other ornaments that the kids made when they were little, like at school and stuff. We're going to put them all on the tree. There are lights on the tree, but you can't see them right now. I'm going to turn them on, but it's so pretty at nighttime. All lit up, but like I said, it's a small tree, but so pretty when it gets done. We still have to put all these gold and cream ribbons on, some more gold ribbons like this, and like I said, more ornaments and the bulbs and everything. So it's going to be really full. And that's my little bow that I have on the top, bow and ribbon. I do that instead of an angel or a oh goodness, what is it? An angel or a snowflake or whatever. I like to do ribbons and bows. Then I have this here just until we get gifts here. These bows are going to go on the tree. So this space will be for gifts, and then down here will be all filled with gifts and stuff. Right here, I just have the ornaments that I was telling you about that we're going to put up there in that box, the red and gold ones. And all these are ornaments that my kids made when they were little, like in elementary school. So we're going to be putting all those on when Jalen gets here, because we want to do it together. And we'll put the bulbs on that my son, is out of town. And then the oldest daughter, she's grown and has her own children and stuff. So we'll put their ornaments on for them. She was here the other day too. They actually, her and two of her kids were here the other day, but the tree and stuff wasn't up. So anyway, that's a little sleigh that I got from the Dollar Tree, a little gift box. I love these. I'm going to get some more because they're so bright and pretty. So, and in the window sill, I have that little cake plate of kids waiting. That was from the year 2000. I've had it that long. For kids waiting for Santa. Let me see if I can get and that's so pretty. Got that from Avon. And yeah, so I have poinsettias on both sides. So it's going to look really full and nice once all the gifts get under there and we finish filling in the tree and light it up. It's going to look like a real nice full Christmas setting, even though the big huge tree is not here. But like I said, the kids are bigger now, and they didn't want to help put up the tree anymore, and I still wanted the house to look festive. So this is our tree. So I went ahead and lit it up. You can see the lights blinking, but of course it doesn't look anything like it's going to look like at nighttime. And then I'm right here in front of this bright window too, so yeah. We're down here in the family room and I'm done. Added some little touches underneath the TV. Some over there by the pictures. I'm going to put some greenery here. I couldn't find my greenery. There's some stuff I couldn't find, so I'm going to put some greenery there, make it brighten up and pop some. Little touches there. So here's the fireplace, and I just put some garland with lights. I put lights in the garland, kind of wove it around in there, and stretched it across, draped it, and put the stockings up. And looks better when it's dark. I like it when it's real dark. Got a little drum right there. And this was what it looks like in the dark. Makes it nice and cozy down here. There's the garland there and the lights strung through.